is Rachel Post. I am a sophomore here at the University of Wyoming. My major is Environment and Natural Resources with Outdoor Recreation and Tourism Management and a minor in Sustainability and Honors. I joined Acres as a freshman and now I'm currently the vice president of it. I think Acres is something that goes beyond the school and it connects the school and the community together to be able to produce veggies together, and it brings in like all sorts of people, and it's just a very inclusive environment. I found some of my best friends there, and the work we do is meaningful, and that really means a lot to me, along with like how 37% of our students are food insecure, and I think we can utilize the farm to leverage that statistic and kind of bring those together, because I'm also part of the Sustainability Coalition and I've been working on the food cabinets here on campus.
Hi, my name is Ella Skorsky, and I'm the current president of AcresStudentFarm. I'm a rangeland ecology major with a minor in Native American and Indigenous Studies. A few things that Acres does for students is we provide student garden plots, which are basically 10 foot by 4 foot raised beds that they can grow whatever they want throughout the summer. We're trying to currently expand that program. We would like to eventually, within a few years, have some on campus or near campus. Currently, the student garden beds are at the farm, which is sort of out of the way for some people, so if they don't have good transportation, that might be a bit of a problem getting there. We also have a compost program. As far as I know, it's the only community composting program in the city. For the past 4 years in the spring, we've put on an event called Dance for the Plants. We get some local bands, we get some local beers, and we kind of just have a good time, try to raise awareness about the farm and what we do, and just make sure people know about Acres. This is definitely more student focused. We also have a raffle in that event. So we get stuff from local businesses. They donate t-shirts and gift cards and stuff like that. And then we see who wins, all these little fun gift baskets we put together. So we're also transitioning to more of a food security focus. So the idea with that is we would partner with the Food Security Task Force of ASUW, and instead of selling at farmers markets, we would kind of get money from the Food Security Task Force. So we would be part of the food shelves that are going up on campus, other things like that. We're really trying to transition to being more campus focused. The nice thing about Acres is we're all pretty tight-knit, so it offered the opportunity just to make friends, which was, since I'm from Minnesota, I didn't know anybody coming to UW, and Acres was a really easy way to get to know people.
Yeah, Acres means a lot to me. It has provided me just a place of belonging here when I came from out of state and didn't know anybody. It's a friendly atmosphere. I'm glad to be a part of it.